Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by connecting the controller now, plug in USB or pair via Bluetooth and confirm Windows recognizes it. Once done, determine whether it uses X input or direct input because that decides the software path. Install Steam Big Picture or DS4 Windows for PlayStation controllers and update drivers and firmware so input maps correctly. Do this early to avoid remapping later. It ensures games see the controller as a standard device and prevents axis drift or dead zones from appearing during gameplay. Once connected, open the configuration tool and load or create a profile tailored to the game. You need to calibrate thumbstick axes, set dead zones to avoid drift, and assign button mappings that match in-game actions. Make intentional choices. Use toggles for clunky menus and analog for movement, because your inputs affect aim sensitivity and responsiveness. Test mappings in the controller test utility, iterate until controls feel natural, and save a profile per game so you don't reconfigure every time. You finish by fine-tuning sensitivity and in-game settings so movement matches intent. Tweak aim acceleration and dead zones until aiming feels consistent. If a game won't detect the controller, run it through Steam's controller layer, use a remapper like Anti-Micro or X360C for unsupported titles, or launch the game as administrator so input layers load. If problems persist, reinstall drivers, toggle Steam input off and on, or reset the controller firmware. This often clears pairing and mapping bugs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.